Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization of this one. We can do another factorization of this one. Now, we need to simplify this number and this number. Later that we can put number 0 go on here, here, and here. We simplify and we got about negative number 4 over 6, and you got about negative number 2 over 3. Negative side, that's it from here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.